Now, we always want to look our glowing best, but every girl really wants to shine on Valentine's Day.
So whether you're hoping to erase just a few years or maybe freshen things up a bit, our next guest has a few easy and quick suggestions to make it happen like that. Leslie Forrester, who is affectionately known as the Wrinkle Fairy from the Liposuction and Cosmetic Surgery Institute, is back with pixie dust and things to make us feel better.
So happy almost Valentine's Day, first of all.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
We said, we were like, okay, we're joking off the air. We said, cancel all your appointments because Gina
We're coming all
we're
day.
coming in.
No.
And we have a million. It's funny how every woman zones in on one or two things, whatever it is.
They
and
do.
It's not the same for
Could
every
be a
woman.
line, a wrinkle on the knee.
I have, yeah, I was like, why is that line on my knee?
But the thing that's interesting about you is you keep saying that it's the small changes that can,
Right.
there are some small changes that can make a big difference.
Yes.
And there are some areas we should focus on in on.
Yes.
And the first one's the lips, right?
The lips, yeah. Actually, what's sad is as we age, our nose and ears continue to grow.
No.
Our lips shrink and shrivel up, and our eyelashes fall out.
What is wrong
It's
with
so
this?
sad.
And I hope you're having a good day too, Leslie.
No, I'm sorry. It's not even 7, and I'm depressing everyone. So, yeah, so just lightly rejuvenating the lips so we can bring them back to where they were. You're not going crazy. Your lips actually are shrinking.
But you know what, though? People, I think, get so scared of this because we've seen on TV the
Yeah.
people who overdo
Yes,
it.
absolutely.
So what's the trick to that natural look?
So there are 2 different ways to inject. You can inject for volume, and you can inject for rejuvenation. And the big key is actually having a conversation with your practitioner and saying, "This, I don't want big lips. I don't want overdone lips." And you have to look at someone's anatomy. If someone wasn't born with Angelina Jolie type lips, you may not want to put those on somebody, and they may not want that. So you have to have a dialogue and a conversation with your practitioner and say,
Right.
"This is what I want. I just want my lips to look a little younger."
Okay, and that's, yeah, because, man, when the lipstick starts bleeding.
It does.
And those
and
little
you're drawing
lines.
That's
the
the
line
thing,
on
the
your
line.
skin.
Right.
The lip line went away. It's
Yeah.
gone, and it was there. You swear it was there.
And they go from horizontal to vertical.
Right.
It's so sad.
It is sad.
And then the lashes. We talk about the lashes.
lashes.
Why are your eyelashes and eyebrows? It's like
Yeah.
they're there one day and gone the
And
next.
then they're gone. I know.
How do we
So
get those back?
We use a product called Latisse, which after 16 weeks, this is what happens. You get these gorgeous, long, fuller, darker, thicker lashes, and it is the only FDA-approved topical medication that is used to grow your eyelashes again.
How quickly does that work, did you say?
16 weeks, you get the full effect, but you start to see it within a couple weeks.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you can start to see the
Oh,
difference
yeah, absolutely.
pretty soon.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think people would give up on it otherwise.
And I forgot, you told us we could do it on the eyebrow or no with those?
It's not FDA approved for eyebrows, but I do
Sometimes
have a lot of patients who use it on their brows.
Who try it
Yes.
out. Yeah, because
Sure.
here's the thing. It's like once you start tweezing, especially our age group, because we started tweezing
Yeah.
way back
And
when, and it was a
overwaxing.
really thing,
Yeah.
and you lose your tails.
You do.
I
Well,
mean,
you lose
so,
all of it.
and you end up with like half an eyebrow.
Yep. And eyebrows are in.
Yeah,
They're
I
in
know.
right now.
I
mean,
know.
the thicker the better.
I have to put them in at night so
Yeah.
that I don't wake up and scream. My kids are like, why are you drawing them on at night? I'm like, you have no idea.
Right.
That's really bad.
You don't want to wake up like
I
that.
don't want us to look like
And
that.
then tell us about this new facial that
Yeah,
all the
what's with
celebs
this
are getting.
glow?
It's called
Yeah.
the Fire and Ice.
Fire and Ice facial, yeah. It's the red carpet facial. This is what all the stars do prior to going on like the Emmys or the Grammys and things like that. It's actually been in the bags for the, I think, Grammys or one of the shows. Or
So
the
how does it
Oscars.
work? How long does it take? How long do the effects last? What can we expect?
Yeah, it is a wonderful facial. It takes about an hour because we give you the full experience, massage, the
Oh,
whole
nice.
thing. It's pampering. It's not painful despite the name Fire and Ice, which sounds really scary, but it isn't. It's a glycolic acid type of facial with a beautiful glow afterwards, and it is. You want to do it on a night you are going out. It is awesome. And it lasts about a week.
It doesn't burn
longer.
or anything? Because you say acid like that and you're like,
No,
okay.
no.
People
You
think
get
chemical peels
There
or
is
something.
no peeling, no downtime,
Okay.
nothing. You leave with magnificent skin.
Well, you
It's
can see
amazing.
the difference in the softness and even the fullness of her cheeks.
Oh, it's great. You can actually feel your skin breathing afterwards, which is out of this world. It's awesome.
You said that day. How many days in advance for Valentine's Day would you say people should come and visit you? Like, could you do it the day before?
You could do it the day of, even though Valentine's Day's on a Sunday this year, I think. But
Yeah.
you could
But
do
if
it
you
the
came
day
Saturday,
of.
okay, it'd be fine?
Absolutely, any day. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So
it's
if we're
awesome.
going out Friday or Saturday, coming in on Thursday, Friday, or Saturday,
Sure.
makes
Oh,
total
yes.
sense.
Your makeup will go on beautifully. You will glow. It is just unbelievable.
Nice.
Yeah.
Save us some spaces.
Good stuff.
Save us
Yeah.
some spaces.
Whole day.
All right.
Okay.
Listen, if you want more information on lashes, lips, and more, you could book your consultation with Leslie. Again, we like to call her the Wrinkle Fairy. You can head to lipodoc.com or call 847-259-1000. The best part about Leslie is how open and available. Like, I feel like we can ask her any question, which is kind of nice, and you can get the answer. So
And then she'll
give her a
tell us.
call.
She'll tell us no if we're going too far.
Yeah.